Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Steph. She's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set, which was the orange and the apple shine blended together. It was a hit on my Instagram, my YouTube. Everyone loved them. So we removed that set, we've done all the prep, and now we're going in with design. So this now is, I kind of did it wrong. We didn't go wrong, but I didn't get a big enough bead, and I didn't manipulate it quick enough into a nice point, so it started to really set. So yeah, it wasn't the best. The other nail went really well, but this one was a bit of a fail. It wasn't a fail, it looked fine in the end, but it wasn't perfect as I'd like it to be. So we're just going to bring this down. I didn't want it far down. I didn't want it to be a smile or anything. We just wanted a little section that went into a triangle. So that's what I'm doing here with my brush, just bringing those sidewalls into a nice triangle. And then I have to come in with a few more beads just to build up the thickness, etc. What is it? Etc. etc. So I'm using the big boy brush today, like I have been. That's all I have at the moment. My Glitter Planet ones have failed on me. They've all died, so I do only have this brush. So yeah, that's all I can use. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep building up the sidewalls, making the sidewalls nice and sharp as well. Not too bothered because we're going to come in with our file at the end. You know me by now. So I just capped it in a little bit of clear because I don't want to cap this now. I just want to go straight in with my colour after. Well, not after now, but at the end. And I don't want to cap it, so I just like to put a little bit of crystal glass just to build up my thickness and my apex. And then we're going to move on to the rest of the nails. So all the rest of the nails are going to be plain, simple colour ombre. And we are using green, girl, neon green. I've been desperate to use neon green for so long, and I'm so happy I have finally done it. I knew Steph's a bit out there at the moment with the neon, so, and she suggested the green because her husband is boxing. Is it boxing off? Yeah, what do you call it? He's got a fight on Friday or Saturday. I think it's Friday, on Sky Sports. So she is obviously going to that, and he has neon green shorts. So she is matchy. She's team green. So that's what we've gone for here. So I'm just going to do this to all the nails. Just put the green at the tip, blend the harsh line back, and bring the colour all the way to the tip. And then I'm going to do it to all the nails, and then I'll be back with my core powder. I forgot to mention the name of it. I think it's called Caribbean Green. I might be lying. It's new, so I've got to get used to these new... I've got a load of new neon colours, so I've got to get used to the names. But I think it's Caribbean Green. But I'll put it in the description box. So now we're going in with our nude colour. Pink. It was a pink. We're using Amor. It does not look like Amor on the nail. Like, it went whitey. It kind of went white against the green. And throughout the whole set I was like, I wish I did nude, but she wanted pink. And they did look fine at the end, don't get me wrong, but I do still think to myself, wish I did nude. So I'm just going to do this to all the nails. I like to come in with the colour, I like to come in with the colour and blend that back just to make it pop and stand out a little bit more. So yeah, I'm going to do that to all the nails. So now I'm coming in with my hand file and I'm just going to get these lines. I never know what the sidewalls, nice and side walls, would you call it? No, you wouldn't even call it sidewalls. Yeah, just this. I'm just going to get this triangle as sharp as I can. Yeah, like I said, the other hand went better. I should have recorded that finger. Jesus. But anyway. So yeah, just going to remove all the dust, and then I'm going to bring my colour up to that. I didn't cap, usually I cap the other nails because of that reason, dust getting on the nails, ruin it before I even capped it, but I don't know what happened, I forgot. So, yeah, I'm just going to bring that Caribbean green up, right up to those side walls. And then once I've done that, I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. You can see I've sped this part up just because we're going straight on to capping, and I don't want you to watch that forever in silence. So yeah, I'll just let you watch this boring part really. So just because I've been using the one liquid and I've not had any like nobody's come back to tell me if it, so I can see it and see if it's good or anything, so I just like to get the cuticle nice and flush to just avoid that. Once I've been using it for like a couple of weeks and I've been seeing some feedback, I probably won't do that, but just just so I know that I've got that cuticle nice and flush and we've got no risk of lifting, hopefully. Steph's not a lifter, but yeah, I just like to do that at the moment. So now I'm going to come in with my Efile. I'm just going to whiz over all the nails. I have sped this up so it looks quite crazy. I am really confident with my Efile, I'm not going to lie, you can probably tell. Maybe a little bit overly confident. But I am being gentle, and yeah, I never cut my client. Never ever cut my client with my Efile. I may do it with nippers, but not often. There's one client I do it on, Yaz. What, I don't know what happens. I cut her with my nippers, and I cut her, but they need to be cut. But maybe I might just leave them from now on because I'm just nipping them slightly. But anyway, we're going to go on to buffing now. So once I've done all of that, I'll come in with my buffing block and I will buff the nails lovely and smooth. You know, this is my favourite part. Favourite part. And now we're going in with Topgloss. I did apply a few crystals there on the ring finger. So I like to lay my crystals down with gripper glue first, let that dry, and then come in with my top coat. And I like to push my gel top coat right up into those crystals for added security. So yeah, once I've done that, she'll cure them for around 60 seconds. I'll apply some cuticle oil in strawberry daiquiri, and we are good to go. So I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. They were absolutely stunning. I loved them. I love them so much. So happily I've finally done green. Let's hope some more of my clients adventure out. Yeah, I don't doubt they will. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.